Welcome to True Vista. We're here to help you have the best possible internet experience. Setting up your eero 6 Plus router is quick and easy. Just follow these simple steps to get connected. First, connect the power cable to the back of the modem, and then plug it into a wall outlet or power strip. Next, connect the coaxial cable to the back of your cable modem. The other end plugs into the coax wall jack. If you have multiple coax outlets, choose the one closest to the center of your home for the best connection. Now let's power up your eero 6 Plus router. Plug the USB-C power cable into the back of the router and then into a wall outlet or power strip. Using the provided Cat5 cable, connect one end to any of the 4 open ports on the back of your cable modem. Plug the other end into either of the 2 open ports on your eero 6 Plus router. Before getting started, check your email for the eero service agreement from True Vista. Accept the agreement before moving to the next step. Now, download the eero app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an eero account and set up your home network. That's it! You're ready to enjoy blazing fast, reliable internet with True Vista. If you have any questions, contact our support team at the number on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for choosing True Vista, keeping you truly connected.